Hello! A straight-line laser pointer is a device specifically designed for accurate positioning and marking, suitable for various application scenarios including construction, manufacturing, and engineering projects. This type of laser pointer typically produces a clear, straight, and continuous beam of light, which can form an accurate linear projection on different surfaces. This feature makes them very suitable for wall wiring, ceiling installation, floor laying, machine alignment, and other work, helping users achieve high-precision position calibration and measurement. The design of a straight-line laser pointer usually considers convenience and durability, and they can be installed on a fixed bracket or directly on the equipment to ensure stability and accuracy during operation. In construction, they can help workers quickly and accurately locate and arrange, improving work efficiency and accuracy. In manufacturing and engineering projects, they are commonly used in operations that require high precision, such as equipment installation and precision machining. Overall, this straight-line laser pointer provides a reliable and efficient tool for industries such as construction, manufacturing, and engineering projects through its precise linear projection, helping users complete precise positioning and measurement work in complex tasks.